pattern, and we're going to use the same number this time, and we're going to produce a different pattern. And I want you to notice that, okay, we start with the same number, but when we multiply it by different numbers, we can still form different patterns. So 76,923 times 2, and then times 7, and then we're going to multiply it by 5, and then we're going to multiply it by 11. I know this seems random here. 76,923 times 6, and 76,923 times 8. So the realization we should start to make is that, yes, if we start with a number and we multiply it by different products, we can create a pattern. And the pattern we're going to create here results in the same digits, no matter how I multiply, but in a different order. So, for example, in the first one, we multiply this number, 76,923, by 2. We get 153,846. And then we multiply it by 7, we get 538,461. And at first glance, by saying it like that, you might see no connection. But then we should realize that we have the digits of the number. So that's these right here, 1, 5, 3, 8, 4, 6. Well, we have the same digits here. We have 1, 3, 5, 8, 4, 6. And in fact, they really are in the same order, but in a different starting point. Here we started at 1, and then it went to 5, 3, 8, 4, 6. The next step, it's as if the 1 moved all the way to the back of the line. Imagine the numbers are standing there in a line. Well, now the 1 moves to the back of the line. But the other numbers, after 1, 1, go back to the front. 5, 3, 8, 4, 6, in the same order, 5, 3, 8, 4, 6. So we can actually create a different number altogether, but have the same digits, and have those digits appear in the same order, but at a different starting point. So now, times 5, if we multiply this, what are we going to get? Well, we have the same digits. This time we have 384,615. So now, we start at the 3. 384, 384, 615, 615. So imagine the numbers are in a loop, right? 1, 5, 3, 8, 4, 6. We're going to start at one of these and then read around in this order, right, in a clockwise fashion. So now, when we multiply this by 11, we get 846,153. So now we start at the 8. 846,153. And in the next problem, we have 461,538. So same digits, now we're starting at 4. 461,538. And then last, right, we're going to start in a different position. So now we have 615,384. Start at 6. 615,384. And I love this pattern because at first glance, it doesn't seem like anything special. We start with this number, which doesn't seem to have any unique properties, and then we multiply it by various digits. But by doing that, we can create this pattern, and a pattern that might not be so obvious at first, right? All these numbers are certainly different, but the digits are the same, and they really are appearing in the same order. All right, hope you enjoyed.